What's up everybody? In this video I will be showing you how to generate more coins in Blum application. For that the process is very simple. Make sure you understand this video completely and watch this video till the end in order to understand it completely. So first thing is go to the earn button on the bottom right corner, just go and tap on it. Once you do it, you will see a lot of quests. So the quests which are categorized into different sections. For example, the new one, the on chain, the socials, and then the academy, then friends, then farming. These are some socials. These are some quests that you need to complete in order to get the points. Here you will see that from farming there are 20,000 points if you farm it to such extent. So for the friends, there are invite 10 friends and you will get 200 Blum points. Invite 100 friends and you will get 10,000 Blum points. And for the academy, you can go and watch YouTube videos. And by watching YouTube videos, you will earn 250 Blum points per video. So next to the academy, there is social option. By just following Blum on different social media handles, you will get 90 to 111 Blum points. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.